morning, Namaskar. My name is Nenya Thakur from here at Global Kids. How are you kids? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So let's start our session with prayer. Close your eyes, join your hands, start prayer. Everyone speak with me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namaha. Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namaha. Now you remember your palm. Put them on your eyes. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. So big rest. So kids, first we will do a story. So ready for the story? Okay. So look at here. A thirsty crow. Crow यानी कौवा. आज हम किसकी स्टोरी करेंगे? कौवा की. Once upon a time, एक दिन की बात है. There was a crow. C for crow. Crow. एक क्या था? Crow था. He was very thirsty. उसको प्यास लगी थी. He flew here and there in search of water. W for water. Water. वो इधर एंड उधर वो क्या सर्च कर रहा था? वाटर. W for water. एक कौवा था, उसको बहुत प्यास लगी थी और वो क्या कर रहा था? पानी के लिए इधर उधर वो सर्च कर रहा था. He saw a pot in the garden. G for garden. Garden. He saw a pot. P for pot. pot. उसने गार्डन में क्या देखा? एक पोट देखा. There was a little water in it. W for water. So पोट के अंदर वाटर कितना था? बहुत ही कम था. लिटिल यानी बहुत ही कम था. He could not drink it. So वो उसमें से पोट था, उसमें पानी बहुत कम था. So इसलिए वो उसमें से पानी पी सकता है? नहीं. So he could not drink it. He thought of plan. उसको क्या आया? एक आइडिया आया. He put some stone. S for stones into it. He put some stone into it. So उसने क्या किया? उसको एक आइडिया आया. So उसने उसको पोट के अंदर क्या डाला? स्टोन डाले. स्टोन यानी पत्थर. उसने स्टोन उठा के उस पोट के अंदर डाला. There was rose. He drank it and flew away. So वो पानी ऊपर आया और क्या हुआ? फिर उसने वो पानी पी लिया एंड देन वो फ्लाई करके वहाँ से चला गया. द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, नेसेसिटी इज द मदर ऑफ इन्वेंशन. यानी कि जब हमें किसी चीज़ की आवश्यकता होती है तो हम कुछ ना कुछ उपाय निकाल के हम आइडिया अपनी बुद्धि से निकाल लेते हैं. सो अगेन, वंस अपॉन अ टाइम देयर वॉज अ क्रो. एक दिन की बात है, एक क्रो था. ही वॉज वेरी थर्स्टी यानी कि उसे बहुत प्यास लगी थी. ही फ्लू हियर एंड देयर इन सर्च ऑफ वाटर. वो पानी की तलाश में इधर एंड उधर वो क्या कर रहा था? ढूंढ रहा था, फ्लाई कर रहा था. ही सो अ पोट इन द गार्डन. उसने गार्डन में वहाँ पे क्या देखा? पोट देखा. देयर वॉज अ लिटिल वाटर इन इट. सो पोट के अंदर क्या था? पानी था, लेकिन वो बहुत ही कम पानी था. ही कुड नॉट ड्रिंक इट. सो वो पानी बहुत कम था, इसलिए वो पी नहीं सकता था. ही थॉट ऑफ अ प्लान. उसको एक आइडिया आया. ही पुट सम स्टोन इनटू इट. ही पुट सम स्टोन इनटू इट. सो उसने क्या किया? स्टोन उठा के वो पोट के अंदर डाले. द वाटर रोज अप. ही ड्रैंक इट एंड फ्लू अवे. सो स्टोन अंदर डाले पोट के अंदर तो क्या हुआ? पानी है वो ऊपर आ गया है. देन उसने क्या किया? वो पानी पी के वो वहाँ से चला गया. सो अवर स्टोरी इज डन. So now class work time. So take out your English textbook, open page number 109. Full page is your class work and page number 110. Full page is your class work. And today's our homework, page number 52. Full page is your homework. Okay, yesterday what we learn? We learn पेज नंबर 15 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कैप्स एंड उसमें हमने क्या किया, सर्कल फाइंड करके उसमें मैच किया। एंड हमारा होमवर्क क्या था, V2 सेट तक हमने क्या किया, लेक्चर यहाँ पे राइट किया, राइट। सो टुडेज क्लास वर्क पेज नंबर 109. सो लुक एट हियर, write down CW and write down here date. Match the letters with the pictures. Match the letters with the picture. So now look at here. Which letter is this? Yes, letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. So A for क्या होता है? Yes, A for apple. So where is the apple? Find the apple. Yes, here, right? So match with apple. Now which letter is A, after which letter will come? Letter B. And B for ball. B for ball. So where is the ball? Yes, here, right? So match with ball. B after which letter will come? Letter C. Letter C. And C for cat. C for cat. So where is the cat? Yes, here, right? So match with cat. And cat is a domestic animal. So which letter will come after C? Letter D. Letter D. So D for dog. D for dog. So where is the dog? Where is the dog? Yes, here, right? So match with dog. D after which letter will come? Letter E. Letter E. So E for क्या होता है? Yes, E for egg. E for egg. So where is the egg? Find the egg. Yes, here, right? So match with egg. So which letter will come after E? Letter F. Letter F. So F for क्या होता है? F for fish. F for fish. So where is the fish? Yes, here, right? So match with fish. Fish live in the water. F after which letter will come? Letter G. Letter G. G for grapes. G for grapes. So where is the grapes? Yes, here, right? So match with grapes. And grapes is a fruit. Now G after which letter will come? Letter H. Letter H. So H for क्या होता है? H for head. H for head. So where is the head? Yes, here, right? So match with head. Now H after which letter will come? Letter I. Letter I. So I for igloo. I for igloo. So where is the igloo? Yes, here, right? So match with igloo. I after which letter will come? Yes, letter J. Letter J. And J for joker. J for joker. So where is the joker? Where is the joker? Yes, here, right? So match with joker. Match with joker. So J after which letter will come? Letter K. Letter K. And K for kite. And K says K. So where is the kite? Yes, here, right? So match with kite. K. K. Kite. So K after which letter will come? Letter L. Letter L. And L for lion. Lion. So where is the lion? Find the lion. Where is the lion? Yes, here, right? So match with lion. Okay, which letter will come after L? Letter M. Letter M. And M says M says and M for mango. So where is the mango? Where is the mango? Find the mango. Yes, here, right? So match with mango, and mango is our national fruit. So now take out page number 110. So now M after which letter will come? Letter N. And N for nest. N for nest. Nest. So N for nest. So where is the nest? Yes, here, right? So match with nest. N for nest. N after which letter will come? Letter O. And O for orange. So where is the orange? Find orange. Yes, here, right? So match with orange. O for orange. And orange is the fruit. So which letter will come after O? Letter P. And P for parrot. P for parrot. So where is the parrot? Yes, here, right? So match with parrot. So which letter will come after P? Letter Q. And Q for queen. So where is the queen? Find the queen. Yes, here, right? So match with queen. Q after which letter will come? Letter R. And R for, yes, R for rainbow. Rainbow. So where is the rainbow? Find the rainbow. Yes, here, right? So match with rainbow. R after which letter will come? Letter S. Letter S. And S for sun. So where is the sun? Yes, here, right? So match with sun. Sun. So which letter will come after S? Letter T. And T for tiger. So where is the tiger? Yes, here, right? Tiger. So match with tiger. T after which letter will come? Letter U. So U for umbrella. So where is the umbrella? Yes, here, right? So match with umbrella. Umbrella. U after which letter will come? Letter V. And V for van. So where is the van? Yes, here, right? So match with van. Van. So V after which letter will come? W. And W for watermelon. So where is the watermelon? Yes, here, right? So match with watermelon. So which letter will come after W? Letter X. Letter X. And X for Xmas tree. So where is the Xmas tree? Yes, here, right? So match with Xmas tree. So which letter will come after X? Letter Y. And Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. So where is the yo-yo? Yes, here, right? So match with yo-yo. So which letter will come after Y? Letter Z. And Z for zebra. So where is the zebra? Yes, here, right? So match with zebra. Zebra. So our class work is done. Now homework time. So now take out your English worksheet. Open page number 5 to 52. Write down here H, W and date. Match below mention alphabet to associated connect picture given below. Match below mention alphabet to associated कनेक्ट पिक्चर गिवन बिलो। सो यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको, लेटर्स दिए हैं और नीचे क्या है, पिक्चर्स दिए। सो आपको क्या करना है, करेक्ट मैच करना है। ओके, सो विच लेटर इज दिस, लेटर यू, एंड यू फॉर yes umbrella, u for umbrella. So where is the umbrella, yes here, right? So match with umbrella. U after which letter will come, letter V, letter V, and V for violin. So where is the violin, yes here, right? So match with violin. So V after which letter will come, W, and W for watch, W for watch. So where is the watch, yes here, right? So match with watch, watch. So W after which letter will come, letter X, letter X, and X for Xmas tree. So where is the Xmas tree, yes here, right? So match with Xmas tree. So X after which letter will come, letter Y, and Y for yo-yo, Y for yo-yo. So where is the yo-yo, yes here, right? So match with yo-yo, match with yo-yo. So Y after which letter will come, letter Z. So Z for zebra. So where is the zebra, yes here, right? So match with zebra. So which picture is this, teapot, T for teapot. So यहाँ पे T दिया है लेटर, no, so इसका हमें मैच नहीं करना है. So our homework is done. So now look at the board. So today is our class work, page number 109 and 110, full page in textbook. And today's homework, page number 52 in worksheet. So please parents help your child for class work and homework. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.